Hi, my name is Adam Moser, and I'm here to talk to you about the Chook. The Chook is intended to replace conventional steel hardware on the end of your winch lines. It's made from a glass-reinforced injection molded polymer. The Chook is intended to be used the same way you would use a regular steel fastener on the end of your winch line. You can use it in a choker configuration, or you can use it with a supplemental rigging sling. It's important when using the Chook that both hooks are engaged in order to achieve the full rated working load. The Chook provides a safer means of terminating a winch line, reducing the risk of damage to the internal elements of the machine in the event that it gets pulled in. We recommend using a separate rigging line to secure the brush to the Chook in order to prevent damage to the winch line. When used in conjunction with our Ultrex winch lines, the entire system has very low elongation. This greatly reduces any recoil hazard in the event of something breaking. When configured correctly, the Chook has a 2,200 pound working load rating, making it suitable for use on most winch-equipped chippers. Chook-equipped winch lines are available in 5/16 and 3/8 diameters with lengths of 120, 150, and 200 feet, depending on the capacity of your machine. The Yale Cordage Chook is available from any of our Arborist dealers. To see a complete list of our dealers, visit yaleCordage.com or contact us on social media.